Hello and welcome to another video on this channel. My name is Ibita Jonah. This is my face over here. And in this video, we'll be talking about YouTube ads optimization, how you can optimize your YouTube ads following this checklist that I'm going to share with you in this channel on this video today. So what do you need to optimize your YouTube campaign? I don't want to waste any time. I just want to go straight into it and give you information as you need it. I'm going to go through the whole video with you. So YouTube ads optimization checklist. What do you need to optimize your YouTube ads campaign for good results, lower cost per conversions, and more conversions in whatever campaign that you're running? Um, so let me just zoom out of this so that you can see what I've been hiding. The first step is to exclude mobile apps, right? Exclude mobile apps. That's the first thing you want to do whenever you are trying to optimize a YouTube ads campaign. I don't want to obstruct people from playing their games or watching their movies or doing anything or using an app during their leisure period with an ad, right? If it's on the YouTube ads platform, no problem. But the first thing I do when I launch a YouTube ads campaign is exclude mobile apps. I don't want to kill my CTRO, my click-through rate with all the impressions, because if you include mobile apps, you're going to get a shitload of impressions that you don't need, and it's going to kill your CTRO and kill your conversion rate. So I don't want that, right? I don't want that. I believe obstructing people's fun on apps will lead to your ads getting skipped. That is for sure, because I skip ads that I don't want to engage with. Also, apps is just another way for Google to burn your budget. That's a fact. So how can you exclude mobile apps? How can you exclude mobile apps from your YouTube ads? Right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to download what we call the Google Ads editor, because you can't do it on the Google Ads platform online. So you have to download the Google Ads editor. Go to googleads.com. Once you go to googleads.com, ads.google.com actually, ads.google.com, that's where you go to. So we are ads.google.com. This is the website, your normal Google Ads website. So this is the website. The next thing you want to do is go to campaign and tools. Once you tap on campaign and tools, you're going to see all the type of Google ads that you can run. You're going to see measurement, tracking, AI-powered ad solution, all of that. You're going to see tools, keyword planner, manager accounts. You want to tap on Google Ads editor. This is what we need. Tap on that and download editor. Tap on download editor. Is going to download for you by opening this page. Going to open a page like this for you. Okay, let me click on this, download Google Ads Editor, and you're going to see, thank you for downloading. It's going to download. Thank you for downloading. When you are done with that, how can you find this Google Ads Editor that's already been downloaded into your system, your laptop, right? You go to your Windows bar and you scroll down, or you can use your search. You scroll down to, you see Google Ads Editor in G, because it's always alphabetical, right? Google Ads Editor, and this is it. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to install. It's going to start installing. Mine has already installed, so it's going to open up like this. Once it's installed, it's going to open up like this for you. I want to select English United Kingdom, because that is the English we speak here in Nigeria. And you say whatever language you speak, you can select that language, right? So next, and this is what you're going to do. Read through the Google Terms of Service of the Google Ads Editor. I'm just going to skip through it because I have read this over and over and over. And I tap on accept. Location, choose your location. My location is Nigeria. I don't want to choose the United States. Nigeria, this is it. Okay, and our Google Ads Editor has been opened. I already know how to operate Google Ads Editor, but for your case, you would have to choose their tutorial, walk me through the basics. For me, I'm going to skip the tutorial. Now, what I'm trying to show you is how to exclude mobile apps, right? So once you open the Google Ads Editor dashboard here, It's going to tell you to add an account, a Google Ads account. I want to add an account. I want to use the in-app browser. And the account that I want to add is my own email. So I'm adding my own email now. Jonah at, and mind you, you can totally email me on this, right? At gmail.com. Next. So they will ask me to put on my password. I'm going to put my password now. Okay. Next. So if you're trying to ask me, remember I have to verify with my phone. I'm using very, very old phone to verify this. So I'm verifying it now and we are inside. So I've logged in my Google Ads account into, so this is all the accounts that is linked to my email, right? This is a client's account. So I'm going to go to Dabor and that's the account I want to link. I want to link all the campaigns in it. And it's going to download all of my information from that Dabor to this uh, offline editor, which is the Google Ads editor, right? So now we are set. It has downloaded and it's going to load the accounts, right? It's going to load the account. So this is the account. And all of the campaigns I'm going to use to show you this has been paused for a while. So let's just choose, you can only do this for YouTube ads, right? You can also do it for, you can also do it for display, but I like to do it for YouTube ads and performance max campaigns. So I go to choose a video campaign. JDVC is a video campaign. I choose JDVC and below it, right? So I'm trying a way to drag this to the left a little bit. Okay. I have to resize it. I have to resize it so that you can see what I'm doing. So what I did was uh, choose the campaign, the video ads campaign. I can totally do this with Performance Max as well. Once I choose the campaign on the left-hand side of the dashboard, I'm going to see another campaign, another pane called Manage. On this Manage, I would search for negative. I'll just search on negative and search for it. So you can see there are keywords, negative keywords list and all of that. But the ones that we're looking for is mobile apps. I'm not going to look at it, negative brand list, location negative, placement negative. I can do all of this, but I don't want to do what we're looking at mobile apps. So this mobile apps categories, this is mobile app categories negative. That's what I'm going to choose. Once I choose a mobile app category negative, as you can see, we already have it established here. I am going to tap on add negative mobile ad category at the campaign level negative mobile ad category. And once it's going to bring out all of this, all apps, I'll tap on OK. And once I tap on OK, I'll tap on post, right? Post. If I tap on post, it's going to tell me to select the campaign that I want to do this for. As you can see, then I post. The reason why it won't post is because this campaign is paused, right? So as you can see, that's how you add your negative remove. That's how you add your negative app. That's why you exclude apps from your Google ads. That's how you exclude ads for your YouTube ads. So with that said and done, the next thing that you want to do to optimize your campaign is to add various ad groups. Adding a good number of ad groups and ads helps me reduce cost. Now, testing, right? Testing. I test different creatives for at least 2 weeks, cut the expensive ones and leave the cheap and performing ones. How many ad groups should you have per campaign? I recommend 3 ad groups and 3 ads in each campaign. So if you check this campaign that I'm talking about, this is a campaign, we have 2 ad groups, but for each of the ad groups, right? For each of the ad groups, we have so for this ad group, we have ads in this ad group. We have about eight ads in this ad group. It's crazy, yeah. We have about 8 ads in that ad group. And for the other one, these 2 ad groups actually. But on the other one, we have about 3 ads, just like I mentioned, right? 3 ads in the ad group. So that's what you want to do. That's the second thing you want to do to optimize your YouTube ads campaign. For the third one is reduce campaign view and impression frequency, right? When you set up your campaign, you might not need to reduce the number of times a particular person sees your ad, right? At the first instance, I don't do it first. But later on, I let it run for like 2 weeks. Then I reduce the campaign view cap frequency to like 7 times daily, and the same with impressions to 7 times daily. In 2 to 3 weeks, I reduce it to 5 and then 3 and then 15 times weekly in the following weeks. It helps me it helps the algorithm show my ads to more people. So let me show you how to do that, right? Let's go back to the campaign level. This is the campaign level, right? The campaign level, and this is the YouTube ads. On this, just over your mouse on it, on the YouTube ads that you have set up already, and tap on the gear icon beside it. It's going to open the settings page. So on this settings page, look at all the settings, right? You go to additional settings and you can see frequency capping. Open the frequency capping pane and select these two. Select these two. Then you enter the number of impressions, the number of time you want somebody to see your ad, and the number of time you want somebody to view your ad. Put it at 7 or 8 for the first 2 weeks, then reduce to 5, then reduce to 3. And you must have to save it. Tap on save and you are done. Close there. And that is the third optimization strategy you need to apply for your campaign. Switch to target cost per acquisition. This is a lead generation checklist. Starting out, I recommend you start with max conversions. I watch the campaign closely for 3 to 5 weeks before I switch to the average target cost per acquisition according to my dashboard data, right? Sometimes Google will recommend that you switch. Evaluate that recommendation before you actually do switch. Their TCPA price recommendation is always on point, and I like it. The reason I like it is because it reduces your cost per acquisition. So this is how you do it. You go back to your dashboard, right? Go back to your dashboard, and this is JDVC. I hover on it on JDVC, which is a YouTube ads campaign. I tap on additional settings, and as you can see, this is all of the settings there is, but it's not on additional settings, it's on bid strategy. This is bid strategy. Tap on bid strategy, and it's going to bring out maximize conversion, which is the actual bid strategy. Tap on target CPA and choose the target CPA. If this campaign was live, they are going to recommend a target CPA for me to choose, which will be around 30 cents. I'm going to choose it. Doesn't mean that I'm going to convert each lead at 30 cents. I can convert leads at 25 cents. It just means that this is the max I'm willing to pay for per lead. Then you tap on save, and you have successfully chosen target CPA as your bid strategy. The next one is adding new videos. Remember, you queued non-performing videos. Add more videos. That is why when I showed you add more ad groups, you saw that we had like 7 to 8 videos in a campaign. Add new videos. Remember, you queue non-performing ones. Add more videos, fresh ones. It will help drop your price even for that. Recommend testimonial videos for this one. And the final one is you can apply recommended target cost per acquisition. You will always convert lower than recommended cost. And before you can actually scale and increase your budget by 50% per time when you feel your target cost per acquisition won't go any lower. So that is how you optimize your YouTube ads campaign. I hope this teaches you something. I'm going to share this checklist in the description below of this video. I'm going to copy the link now. So anybody with the link can get access to this checklist. In addition, before you go, you can get access to my YouTube ads for beginners course. You can get access to my YouTube ads for beginners course still on the description below. So this is the YouTube ads for beginners course that I'm talking about. As you can see, this is a new student that purchased this course. They seriously really hit the nail on the head in this course. Though I'm still on it, I've been able to learn how to effectively target the right audience for any kind of YouTube ad keywords to use. etc. It is well detailed and a must watch for digital marketing enthusiasts. So this is a wonderful course that you should get. It has a free support group. The module 1 is introduction and table of contents. Module 2 is what YouTube ads is, how you can get started with YouTube ads. Module 3 is how to open and fund a Google Ads account, dollar payment, prepaid cards to use, Aboki phone numbers to call to buy dollars. Basic YouTube ads terms you need to understand. What is bid strategy and common bid strategies for YouTube ads, basic YouTube ads research process, and the rest. Module 6 is basic video script writing, because you need to be good at script writing for YouTube ads and how to craft headlines and description. Module 7 is conversion tracking. Module 8 is how to create a YouTube channel and link to Google Ads. How to set up YouTube Ads campaign 1, 2, learning phase, optimization. The checklist is here. So as you can see, this checklist is actually from my course, and how to buy a website on the bonus and all of that. How to get a client. This is the bonus coming soon. Many affiliate marketing training on it, and how to make 200K monthly running YouTube ads for people coming soon. The cost is just 15,000 naira. If you are not a Nigerian, on the top of the screen, you can change the currency to USD. You can change it for USD, it's around 13 USD. For GBP, it's around, you can change it to the Great British Pounds, which is around 10 GBP. If you're other African country, you can change it to Kenyan shilling, the rand, South African rand, the Tanzanian shilling, the Ugandan shilling, the CFA. This is the Cameroonian CFA, the Benin CFA, and the Togan CFA, and the Rwandan franc. You can change it to these currencies to purchase this program for yourself. So that is it for this video, the YouTube ads for beginners checklist, the YouTube ads optimization checklist, actually. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video and share with your friends so that more people would see it and get started with YouTube ads.